Peacock TV, sign into Peacock login. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can basically sign into Peacock and log in. So make sure to watch the video till the end. To sign into your Peacock account, open up the Peacock TV application on your Android or iPhone. If you have not created an account, by the way, you can tap on pick a plan and create a new account. But if you already have an account and you might not see the login option, it's located at the top right hand side here. So here you can tap the sign in button. All you have to do is now you have to make sure to enter your email address that you signed up with, then enter your password. If you're not sure what password you have typed in, you can tap the I button here to view your current password. If you happen to forget your password, you can tap on the forgot password option here, and once you tap on the forgot password option, you'll be able to reset your password, or you can tap on sign in option if your details are correct. And that's all it takes to sign into Peacock and log in. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.